Is your laptop screen flickering? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through the best solutions to fix it. Stay tuned. Press Windows key plus R, type amsconfig, and press Enter. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup items, restart your computer. If it didn't work, try updating your device. Press the Windows key plus I and click Windows Update. Click the Check for Updates button. Now install updates, including the optional ones. Right-click on your desktop, then open Display Settings. Click on Advanced Display. Now change the refresh rate to the highest or lower one. Press Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Desktop Window Manager Session Manager. Right-click and select Stop. Set the startup type to Disabled, restart your PC, and check if the problem is fixed. Go to Settings, then System scroll down and open Troubleshoot. Select Display Quality and run the troubleshooter. Open Device Manager by clicking Win plus R, then type devimgmt.msc. Locate your display adapter, expand it. Click on Uninstall the device. Restart your PC. Let Windows automatically install the latest driver, or manually download and install it.